Hi friends, this video shows how to fix network and internet problems. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then tap on More Settings, then go down, then tap on Backup and Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So this reset Wi-Fi settings. For example, it delete all hotspots. Then it restore default Wi-Fi settings. It also delete mobile data. For example, it delete APN settings. Then it create a new working APN and it restore default mobile data settings. So this way we can fix most of the network and internet related problems. So let me reset settings. Tap on this, then enter screen lock password, then again tap on reset settings. Network settings has been reset. Done. So this way we can reset network settings and fix internet and network related issues. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.